That's how I done it. But before, I had a lot of self-esteem issues. You know what I mean? And I thought I looked much older than that I actually was. You know, I had the phaser lipo done, which is basically like a keyhole, so it wouldn't be major surgery or anything. And I had the what's it?
ActiveFx.
ActiveFx on my face, the laser.
A new form of laser resurfacing that became extremely popular. And how it works is it doesn't take off all the skin, it just takes off a partial amount of the skin. So as a consequence, the older problems that we had with laser resurfacing, be them hypopigmentation because the tanning level was destroyed, in some people as high as 10%, or also you had a problem of healing where it took up to 4 to 5 weeks to heal. Now you can do the same thing, it'll heal in 4 or 5 days, and because it leaves skin bridges in between, the sort of melanocyte layer is still there. So this is one particular technique that has gone through the roof also.
And are you happy, Amanda?
Yeah.
Are you happier because of having the cosmetic surgery?
Yeah, much happier, much more confident.
Difficult to argue with that.
Yeah. I have more mirrors in my house now. But yeah, much more confident.
So the self-esteem reasons, because a lot of people, like I'd be like, well, maybe people have self-esteem reasons they should deal with a counsellor instead of just going and getting stuff done. But your self-esteem reasons were based on the way you look and the fact that you weren't happy with the way you looked.
Yeah, but sometimes you can talk to a counsellor and it still doesn't help the way you feel, because when you're looking at yourself, you know what I mean, what you see back.
And you're more conscious of thinking of people who are looking at you.
Yeah, and I think I thought I looked a lot more older than I actually was, or I actually felt like, you know. Yeah. And when I look at myself now, I feel a lot younger and more confident.
Do you think the stigma's gone, Amanda? Do you think maybe 20 years ago, 10 years ago in Ireland, women were like, oh, that's only in Hollywood, they have plastic surgery, but now it just seems everyone's doing it and there's no bother?
Yeah,